Hey guys, I want to give you my pick today for the perfect famine food for you to plant in your winter garden. A while back I had done a video on the perfect famine food and I talked about sweet potatoes. If you haven't watched that one, definitely watch it. But sweet potatoes for most climates is primarily a summer crop. And so I want to talk to you today about what is great to be planted in your garden through the colder winter growing seasons that is so nutrient dense, so easy to grow, so perfect to help you get through hard times that I just have to share it with you. This is one of my favorite wintertime crops to grow. It's so easy. You're going to want to learn all about how amazing collard greens are and why you need to plant them in your garden right now.
Collard greens are a cruciferous vegetable. All cruciferous vegetables, cruciferous meaning cross-shaped flower, are good for cleansing the blood. The collard green, however, is a dark leafy green that holds an impressive nutrition profile that rivals that of kale, but is not hard on the stomach like kale. It cooks pretty much like cabbage, but you don't have to harvest the entire head at one time like you do with cabbage. You simply harvest a few leaves that are continually replaced by the plant throughout its long growing season that can extend through both winter and summer months in most climates for a near continuous harvest. It's similar to mustard greens, but does not have the bitter taste, and is much more hardy to cold than most other winter greens. It is good both cooked or raw. It can easily be grown with little to no care at all. It can be grown in the ground or in containers, in buckets. It can be disguised as lawn greenery or ornamentals. They are considered to be one of the most nutritious foods in the entire world. They contain a high amount of sulfur, which makes them very strong body detoxifiers. Collard green health benefits include detoxifying the body, supplying abundant nutrients, preventing cancer, strengthening the bones, supporting digestion, preventing anemia, lowering bad cholesterol levels, supporting rapid hair growth, slowing down the aging process, managing glucose and diabetes, improving mood, protecting the lining of the stomach, and preventing bacterial overgrowth. They are a good source of iron, protein, and fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B vitamins like folate, B6, riboflavin, thiamine, and niacin. Their strong detoxifying abilities are particularly good for cleansing the liver. They contain antioxidants that protect DNA, attack free radicals, and neutralize harmful chemicals and toxins within the body. It fights depression, is calming, heals and aids the sympathetic nervous system, helps to revitalize sore muscles, and also helps with cognitive abilities, sleeping, and improving memory. Collard greens are an extremely easy to grow plant that is a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits that are great to have around at all times for both you and your livestock, but is especially valuable during hard times when good nutrition and medication may be hard to find. So go grow some collard greens today.